Hi friends, today I appear to you with a good question that is related to abstract algebra. To learn this question, see this video up to end. So without wasting time, let's go to see the question. The question says, let G be a group of order 60. Then, which of the following is oblique are true? First option says G is abelian. Second option says G has a subgroup of order 30. Third option says G has a subgroup of order 2, 3 and 5. Fourth option says G has a subgroup of order 6, 10, 15. To solve this question, first we remind some definition and result. Definition: simple group. A group is said to be simple if it has no proper normal subgroup. A group G is said to be simple if it has no proper normal subgroup. This definition we also use to solve this question. That's why first we know this result. Let's going to the option. First option, G is abelian. Actually, this option is false. Why? Explanation of option A. Let G is equal to A5. A5 means alternating group with 5 symbol whose order is 16, but A5 is non-abelian. So this option is incorrect. So this option is incorrect. Next we see the next options. G has a subgroup of order 30. Explanation of option B. In this case, if we also take G is equal to A5, alternating group with 5 symbol, this group is simple. Simple means it has no proper normal subgroup. But if G has a subgroup of order 30, then this group cannot be simple. So this option is incorrect. Which is simple group? That is, it has no proper normal subgroup. So this group cannot have a subgroup of order 30. So this option is incorrect. So this option is incorrect. Now we see the last options. G has a subgroup of order 6, 10, 15. Explanation of option D. If G is equal to A5, in this case also, for example, suppose that G has a subgroup of order 15. If possible, let G has a subgroup of order 15. We know the group of order 15 is always cyclic. So this group is cyclic. So this subgroup is cyclic. If this group is cyclic, then this group has an element of order 15, but G has no element of order 15. So this option is incorrect. If G has a subgroup of order 15, then G cannot be non-abelian. It becomes abelian. That's why this option is incorrect. So this option is incorrect. Actually, option C is correct. Why? If we use finite abelian theorem of Cauchy theorem for finite group, explanation of option C. This option is true due to Cauchy theorem. Cauchy theorem. What is the statements of Cauchy theorem? If G be a group of order n and P be the prime divisor of n, then G has an element of order P. Hence, it has a subgroup of order P. In this case, 2, 3, 5 is also our prime divisor of 16. So this group has a subgroup of order 2, 3, 5. That's why this option is correct. Friends, if you like this video, please subscribe my channel, and also I open a Telegram group. You can also join there. Link is given in the description. Thank you. Till then, take care. Bye bye.